This vanilla flavored ice cream is called Puffo in the area of Italy where I live. We literally need just 3 ingredients for this. Let's begin whipping the cold whipping cream. Add in the condensed milk. And finally a drop of blue color. Whip it till it becomes fluffy and creamy. We can see soft peaks here. Now we're going to transfer this in an airtight container and refrigerate it for 6 to 8 hours, preferably overnight. Nice, creamy, cool and super delicious. My kids literally can have this every single day. Add some sprinkles if you wish to and enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to Sprinkle of Spice by MJ for more wonderful recipes.